In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export a PDF on Smartsheet step by step. Whether you want to share your sheet with clients, send a report to your team, or create a printable version for meetings, exporting your Smartsheet as a PDF is quick and simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can do it confidently in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Smartsheet tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Smartsheet account and open the sheet that you want to export. This can be any sheet, whether it's in Grid View, Gantt View, or another format. Just make sure you're inside the specific sheet you want to turn into a PDF. Once you're inside the sheet, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. This is the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu. After clicking the three dots, a list of additional options will appear. From this menu, find and click on Export. This is where Smartsheet allows you to download your sheet in different file formats. When you click on Export, you'll see several export format options. To create a PDF file, simply click on PDF from the list. This tells Smartsheet that you want to generate a PDF version of your current sheet. As soon as you select PDF, an Export Settings window will appear. This is where you can customize how your PDF will look. You may see options like paper size, orientation such as portrait or landscape, scaling, and whether you want to include grid lines or comments. If you're working with a wide sheet that has many columns, landscape orientation often works best. Take a moment to review these options and adjust them based on how you want your final PDF to appear. Once you're happy with your settings, click on Options if available to fine-tune any additional preferences. This gives you even more control over the layout and formatting of your exported file. Adjust anything necessary so your PDF looks clean and professional. After confirming your settings, click OK. Smartsheet will then process your request and generate the PDF file. Depending on the size of your sheet, this may take a few seconds. Once it's ready, the file will automatically download to your computer. Now you can open the downloaded PDF to review it. From there, you can share it via email, upload it to another platform, print it, or store it for documentation purposes. That's all it takes to export a PDF on Smartsheet. Just to quickly recap, open your sheet, click the three dots in the top right, select Export, choose PDF, adjust your settings, and click OK. In just a few clicks, your sheet is converted into a shareable PDF file. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Smartsheet guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.